Welcome to the xCloud tutorial. Today, we are going to show you how to configure Mailgun for sites in xCloud. Let's get started and make sure your emails are running smoothly. First, head over to your xCloud dashboard. Navigate to My Profile and search for Email Provider. Click on Add New Provider, and from the list, select Mailgun. You'll need to retrieve SMTP username and password. So, log into your Mailgun account and add a new SMTP user. From the left navigation panel, select Send and then click on Domain Settings. Go to SMTP Credentials and click on the Add New SMTP User button. Provide the necessary credentials and click on Create. You've created your SMTP user. Now go back to your xCloud email provider dashboard and paste the credential details. Copy the password from the pop-up button on the right bottom corner and paste it into the designated field. Assign a label to the last field and click on Add Email Provider. Congratulations, you've successfully added an email provider. You can add a new SMTP provider with Mailgun API keys as well. Let's check how to do it. Log in to your Mailgun account. From your profile, click on API Security, then select Add New Key. Provide the required information in the designated fields and click on Create Key. You'll see the new API key. Copy this code. Go back to the email provider field on xCloud. Select Mailgun API and paste the API key in the API key section. Provide the domain name, add a label, and click on Add Email Provider. Next, go to Sites from the xCloud dashboard. Select a site and navigate to Email Configuration from the left navigation bar. From the Email Provider drop-down menu, select Mailgun, provide the name and email information, and click on the Save Changes button. Let's send a test email to ensure everything is working correctly. Enter the sender's email, write your message in the body section, and click on the Send button. Check your preferred email provider's inbox, and you should find the test email there. Let's see if the email sending configuration has been set successfully in your WordPress website. For this, click on the magic login button from your site dashboard on xCloud. Now, from the WordPress admin dashboard, navigate to Settings in the left side panel and click on the Fluent SMTP option. As you can see, Fluent SMTP has been automatically installed and set up on your WordPress site. From the Email Test tab, you can send a test email. You will find the test email received in your email inbox. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully, it helps you configure Mailgun for your sites. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel.